We'll start standing with 3 deep breaths. On the last exhale, bring your hands down to the floor into a forward fold. Hold this position for a couple of breaths. Walk your hands forward, keeping your feet in place until your back is slightly tilted. This is a downward facing dog. Hold here and breathe deeply. Raise your right leg and step it forward into a low lunge. Lower your back knee and foot in the floor, lifting your chest slightly and breathe. Lift your back knee, step back into a downward facing dog, and repeat on the other side. Raise your left leg, bring it forward, lower your back knee, and hold for a few breaths. Slowly return to downward dog. From here, shift your weight forward and lower your hips down, lifting your chest into a cobra pose. Rest the top of your feet and legs on the floor and hold the position. Bring your knees to the floor, widen them slightly, and bring your hips back into a child pose. Stretch your arms forward and relax. Slowly come up to all fours. On an inhale, lift your right arm up. And on the exhale, thread it under your left arm. You can extend your left arm for a deeper stretch. Hold this position and breathe. Slowly return, lift the right arm up one more time. And let's switch sides. Inhale, lift your left arm, and exhale, thread it under the right. Hold this position and breathe. Now return to the starting position. Now take a seat with your legs extended forwards. Bend your right knee, placing your foot over your left leg. Bend your left knee, bringing your foot closer to your torso. Hold this seated stretch, keeping your back straight. Release and switch sides. Keep your spine tall as you hold this stretch. Return to your standing position and gently shake out your legs to release tension. Bend both knees and start rocking them side to side, letting both knees fall towards the same side. On the last rep, twist towards your right leg, keeping both knees bent and lean your chest forward slightly. Slowly return and repeat on the left side. Now bring the soles of your feet together into a butterfly stretch. And gently lean your chest forwards. Slowly sit up, extend your legs forward, and let's finish with some spinal twists. Inhale, lift your arms up, and exhale as you twist to one side. Alternate sides a few times. For the final stretch, inhale, lift your arms up, and exhale as you round your back slightly. Bring your chest and arms forward. Repeat this movement a couple of times. And for this last one, let's hold the position. And that's it. Thank you for stretching with me today and see you on the next one.